Welcome back, guys, to Mama Joan house where it's hot. I don't know what I mean when we say it's hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Today, guys, I have a juicy little prank phone. I was just watching a show on Netflix called Outer Banks, guys, and in the show, the mom and the dad is sending away the daughter to boarding school, and it gave me an idea to run a little prank on Cyan, telling her that I am sending her to boarding school, so gonna have a suitcase packed for her and all of that. I'm not giving her too much of the prank because we need to see the prank, so I'm not gonna tell her not too much details about the prank, but I'm gonna take her phone from her and all kind of stuff I'm gonna have going on with it. Okay, guys, so when she come home from school, that's when we will get it started. All right, so I'll be back when she come home.
Five minutes later.
Yes, dear.
Good evening.
Good evening, honey. Uh, when you finish, come here, sweetheart. Come sit down here, mama. Come a little closer. Why you have to sit down so far? Hmm?
Okay.
So,
What?
how was it there?
It was good.
Was good? The trip was good?
Yeah.
Okay, so what did you do?
Um, it was like a volunteering type of thing. Like, it was like this food bank thing
Mm-hmm.
where people that can't afford groceries, they can come and get stuff for free, and the place is open 365 days. I thought it was cool. Like, I never knew.
Anyway, we need to discuss something with you. Like, can I see your phone for a minute?
For what?
No, just want to see the phone.
For what? See it to do what?
Just look on it. You
Okay.
you need a new case.
Are you gonna get me one?
Yeah, probably.
Okay.
Anyway,
What do you want with the phone?
don't worry about the phone. I need to talk to you.
Okay.
You know how much we love you.
Yes.
You know I love you, I care about you, and you know you are my sweet, darling granddaughter. You know that.
Right.
You understand me? But we have something where we need to discuss with you. Hold on a second here. This. Let me just get these here.
We're going on vacation, Grandma? For real?
You are going on vacation.
I'm going on vacation.
Yes. You are going to New Zealand.
New Zealand?
Yes.
I don't want to go to New Zealand. How about Tokyo?
Tokyo.
Yeah, or
Where?
like France.
So what's wrong with New Zealand?
I don't even know what that is.
You don't know where that is?
No.
Well, honey child, you're going to a boarding school. I am boarding you out.
Grandma, you're joking.
No, I'm not. I'm sending you to boarding school. Because you don't listen when I talk to you. You don't clean your room. You don't do your little chores where you have to do around the place. So I decided that I am going to board you out. You understand me? That's what it have to be for right now. So I have your clothes packed and ready to go, and the people them that's running the boarding school is gonna come and pick you up.
Grandma, what are you talking about right now?
Oh, you mean what I'm talking about? I have to send you there because, listen, you have bad attitude. I don't like your attitude. You have some friends who you hang out with that I don't like your friends them that you hang out with. You understand?
What friends? What attitude?
Oh, you mean your attitude, like your body language, you know? And your, that is attitude. I don't like your body language sometimes.
What do you want me to do with my body?
Be nice, be laugh, be chirpy. Don't just dead drop and attitude all the time.
Like, I'm tired. I'm tired. Like, what do you mean dead drop?
You understand? I need it to be more chirpy.
I'm just not understanding.
As I said. And the friends them way you have, I don't like your friends them way you have.
What are you talking about?
Girls them way you hang out with, I don't like them.
There's nothing wrong with my friends. What do they do?
They're bad influence. Don't dare. So what I'm sending you, there is no, that's why I take your phone. I make sure I take your phone from now. There is no social media there, so you're not allowed to have a phone. So I had to take it. Okay? So with the AI thing, you know, we are going, you know, AI, you know, AI take over everything, like them I take tests for people, you understand me? And I needed to be smart. I needed to be smart, you understand me? So down there, so in New Zealand, they're going to go to school there, and all them are going to teach, all the school are going to teach you. It's just like back home in Jamaica, where them just straight up teach you and you learn. You understand? It's like it's on a British rule.
You are I'm getting too much information at one time.
Oh, you mean too much information at one time?
Where is New Zealand at? What's that?
New Zealand, it take you 1 day and 2 nights to get here.
What is that?
That's where the school is.
What is New Zealand? Where
It's
is
a
that
country. It's a good distance. It's a 2-day flight to New Zealand.
I heard of New Zealand, but I don't even know what that is.
Well, you can search that up. Later on, you can go look on the map when you leave here and them taking you to your destination. So what are they going to
make me do there?
You're going to go to school there. What you expect them to make you do there but go to school? You're going to go to school to learn. You're not learning nothing here.
Okay, but like, what about my friends? What about my family?
You can't make new friends there. There's people there where you can't make friends. Your family, we will talk. We will FaceTime. Because what we have to do, we have to get in contact with the office there, and the office will bring you to them thing, and we can talk like that.
Grandma, how much information do you know about this school? You search it up online? Where'd you get this from?
We search it up online.
These are the types of things where people send their kids there, and then the people them there mistreat the kids. And then when the kids, no, listen, you're not listening. When the kids call home, when the kids call and say, "Mom, they're mistreating me. They're not letting me eat," and then the supervisor takes the phone. "Oh, she's making up delusions, because she's trying to manipulate you." I seen this on TikTok.
That is just everything. Nothing on TikTok, no right? You can't look off that. That is social media.
I don't even know where this place is. How much searching up research have you done about this place? You don't know.
It's good. It is a good place.
No,
you cannot say it's not a good place. You have to go.
There.
No.
I don't trust these people, and I don't think you should trust them.
You have to go there. You have to go there because
Grandma, I'm not going to this place because I never heard of this place. What is it called?
New Zealand boarding school. That's what it's called.
That sounds fishy in itself.
That's not fishy. They named the school after the country. New Zealand boarding school. They named the school after the country. A lot of places name them school after them country, so it name after them country. So that's where you're going. I need you to learn, and you cannot learn nothing here.
Is there black people there?
Yes, there should be. There should be.
You don't even know anything about this place. What do you mean should be?
As I said,
I'm not going, Grandma.
You have to go.
I'm not going because I don't know where I'm gonna end up. You don't know if what they're gonna take me and do to me. You don't know if they're gonna put me in solitary confinement if I do something wrong.
So why would they go do something wrong?
If they're ending up giving me pills or stuff and I don't want to take it, they're gonna put me in solitary. If I cough without their permission, they're gonna put me in solitary.
So you're gonna do bad things to the people them give
Some of these places, if you cough without their permission, they get mad at you and they put you in solitary.
How
do you know that?
Not this because this one here is hella expensive. So with the money when me I pay, them I go take good care of you.
I am not going to this place.
You cannot tell me that.
I'm telling you, I'm not going. I'm sorry, Grandma. I know how much. Like, I know you want to send me to boarding school. I know you have all these issues, but whatever the issues are, we can fix and we can address them, and we'll fix the issues.
You say you're going to fix the issues and you never fix them. It's been going on for a while and you don't fix. So listen,
you have to be patient.
I make this patient man ride donkey. I mean, I have no intention for ride no donkey. Because your patient take too long.
I'm actually scared for my life right now. I'm
scared for your life for what?
I'm scared for my life because
these are good people. The only thing is you can't have no phone. You understand? You can't have no social media and you need to go learn. Good people. You don't have to worry yourself about nothing.
I'm not going, Grandma. I'm sorry.
What do you mean you're not going?
I'm not going. I am not going.
Well, when the people them come pick you up, them soon come here. The next 15 minutes, them
15
should be.
minutes?
They will be here in 15
Grandma,
minutes.
okay, can you sit down for a second? I need you to sit down.
Why you need me to sit down?
Let's think about what we're doing before we do this.
Think about what? We think about
so
it
they're
already.
Come and take me and
15
do what?
minutes, you
and
leaving.
Do what?
You going?
What are they gonna do with me? Take me to the plane?
Yes.
Is that why you got my freaking
Yes,
my
yes,
passport?
yes.
That's why you went to renew my passport.
Yes. Why you think me go get it? Because you needed to fly. You can't fly without it.
Grandma, I need
you
to
cannot get the phone.
Give me my
no,
phone, Grandma.
You cannot bring it with you. You cannot bring the phone with you.
Let me at least say goodbye to my friends.
I will say goodbye for you.
Grandma, can I please see my phone?
No.
You're holding my phone hostage right now.
I do not trust you to take the phone.
You are holding my phone hostage.
No, you cannot bring it with you. You cannot bring the phone with you.
Can I see it at least for one last time?
I don't trust you.
Grandma, I need you. What are you doing, Grandma? What are you doing? Why are you locking the door up?
Because you take the phone and you're ready. Why you take the phone?
Because I wanted to text my friend.
So text your friend and tell them bye now. Tell them bye now. Text them and tell them bye now. Text your friend and tell them bye now.
You said 15 minutes. I'm not
You're going to
ready.
stay right here for the 15 minutes. You can't text your friend and tell them bye now. Text your friend and tell them bye.
Sit down,
I don't want to sit down anymore. I need to stand right the door. I don't trust you. You will go through the door and you look like you want to go through. Give me the phone.
I didn't get to text nobody.
Okay, all right.
Grandma, I'm not going to New Zealand. Get off of me. Get off of me. Get off of me. I will call the police on you, you know. Grandma, Grandma, I'm not going nowhere. I'm going to my friend's house.
Oh my God, sure God. Oh, have mercy. Oh God.
Grandma, I'm gonna need you to stop calling me because I'm not gonna tell you where
Cyan, you need to come home, baby. Sweetheart, please.
I'm sorry.
Cyan, it's just
I can't do it.
Cyan,
I can't do it, Grandma, I'm sorry.
Cyan, it's just a prank.
Don't try to trick me because I'm not coming back. What do you mean trick? You're trying to trick me so that I come back?
No.
I'm coming back, Grandma, I'm sorry. I can't do it.
Cyan.
These other places where they take you away, you never get to go back home.
Cyan, it's just a prank, sweetheart. Honestly, I would have never. Listen,
I'm sorry.
I would never do that to you. Come on.
I don't trust you. These are the things that they say to you.
Can you please?
Come back.
No. Can you please come back, sweetheart? Honestly.
I can't do it. I'm sorry.
You know,
I can't do it.
you know how much your grandma love you. I would have never done that to you.
You are trying to manipulate me. When I come back home, you think that I'm this. No, sir. I've been through enough in my lifetime to know that I can't be uncle in this situation. I gotta keep going. I'm sorry.
Please, sweetheart. No,
I'm not coming back. I'm sorry.
Cyan, honestly, it's just a prank, honey.
I don't trust
Seriously.
you. I don't trust you. I'm sorry, Grandma.
Cyan, the camera is running. You need to come back so that I can. Come on. As I said, it's just a prank. Come back.
Grandma, I don't trust it.
The camera is right there. It's behind the chair. It's running. Come on, girl. Let's go.